Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect frames in Figma. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So connecting frames in Figma is easy and essential for creating interactive prototypes. So first of all, for this you need to simply select the prototype tab. Then click on a frame or element you want to use as a starting point and then drag the node. You will see a small circle and node, a blue dot, appear on the right hand side of the selected element. Once you see this, simply click and drag that node to the destination frame. Once connected, a pop-up will appear. Simply set the trigger, example on the click. So set action and customize animations or transitions if you need. So last thing is to simply test it by clicking on the play button, which is located on the top right hand side of the corner to preview the prototype. So test the interaction by clicking the element, and this is how you can simply connect frames in Figma. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.